Right then, so we're in Southampton, staying at the Novotel Hotel, and we want to show you around our room. As you can see, we've got a superior room, 314, and hopefully Paulie Morgan will open the door.
Good morning.
Right, well, I'm going to start this end of the room because it's quite a quirky room, isn't it, Paulie?
Yes, it is, yes.
So if we start there, usual information on the back of the door, obviously, for evacuation. As we said, we're 314. So you can see us here. And the first thing you see on the right-hand side is a toilet. Nothing remarkable about that.
Nothing,
but a bit strange. We thought, oh, no hand wash basin. That's a bit odd when we walked in, didn't we?
We did.
But you'll find out why when we go around the corner. Well, but also here...
As we're at this end of the room.
Yeah, you've got a wardrobe with an ironing board and iron, and also a fan. We're here in... February, isn't it? I just think what month it was then.
And also, if you're Peter Crouch,
yes,
you've got some storage.
Peter Crouch, well. Yes, I wouldn't be using that one. So yeah, so you've got a tea and coffee station, all complimentary, and also here you've got a fridge which had 2 bottles of the Harrogate water, and you had mentioned the coffee and tea, and down below is a really huge safe, isn't it? Massive safe, and another cupboard at the bottom. So one thing that this room has got is plenty of storage.
You've got Peter Crouch cupboard,
yeah,
and then you've got a Carole cupboard.
So let's take you into the main part of the room. We've been very happy here, haven't we, Paulie?
Yes, indeed.
As you can see, it's a really good sized room with views over to the main road and the police station. So no views of the port in this room. We've got TV, which has got all your regular channels, Paul, yeah?
Yes, indeed. And
then you've got further cupboards and drawers at the bottom there. And you've also got 2 English plugs.
There's a hairdryer under there.
And yes, a hairdryer just under there. The bed is firm, isn't it?
Firm, but very comfortable. The sofa's lovely and comfortable as well.
And by the bed on this side, you've got a plug with USBs, but there isn't one on... well, my side of the bed, but the other side. But as you can probably see now, this is why we thought, well, that's a bit odd, there's just a toilet there. But the room opens up. You can close these doors if you want to, but it opens up onto a lovely bathroom area, which is, we've really liked this, haven't we, Paulie? Yeah, full bath with a hand shower, but also Paulie opens a nice glass door, really big shower, which has been fab. And you get fair trade shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. So, yeah, and like I say, a big sink. It's been really, really comfortable, and a shaving point. Now, we've paid £107 for this room for one night, haven't we? We're getting on the Queen Mary shortly, which we're very excited about.
Yeah, £107. That includes a full breakfast, which they've got full English or continental cereals, all that sort of
buffet
stuff.
Style, wasn't it?
And... if you want to park, it's £10 for the night, which is about the going rate, really. So with the parking, with the breakfast, it's £117 all in. Yeah,
and it's very convenient, isn't it, Paul? Right opposite IKEA and 10-minute walk from West Quay, not far from the ports. One thing we do want to mention is how helpful the reception staff have been, because since we left home, we had an email to say that we've been upgraded from a sheltered balcony up to a normal balcony. So we thought, oh no, because we've got all our tags on our suitcases, but we've just been down to see them, and she was lovely, wasn't she? Yeah. And she's printed off all our paperwork. Another thing to add as well is that we've the Novotel is part of the refugee programme in Southampton, and we didn't know that when we booked, and we got some messages saying, are they still using it for that? They are, and to be honest, we've had no issues at all. No. It's been very quiet, and we would definitely stay here again. So that's it, isn't it? Anything to add?
No. Just I'd say, obviously, we've got lots of Southampton hotels on our YouTube channel. Yeah, lots of reviews. Yeah, so if you like to look at this, or you want to look at some others, Carole will put a link in up there or down there or something. Yes. I don't really know. Yes, we've got lots of Southampton hotel reviews. In fact, we've got a post dedicated to it on our website. So I'll put a link in a description below, and we advise that if you go, Polly, to watch one of these videos next.